Incremental greetings! Today I want to share with you how you can see an overview of your files of your entire collection. Because when you go to File, Tools, and Collection Size, you get the primary storage, secondary storage, but you don't get how much it is with sound files, with pictures, and just text or HTML, right? And for each collection, if you are using several collections, as I do. So it happens that everything is local in SuperMemo, so I can look in my computer this thing instead of using SuperMemo. I strongly suggest using this software. It's open source, WinDirStat. I will drop the link in the description. Open source, nothing to worry about. And instead of a drive, I will be using a folder. In this case, Mandarin. But let's say I want everything, only the systems, until the systems. So that's my directory of the system folders. So I will have all possible collections. In my case now I have Advanced English, Learning, Jukebox, Mandarin, Test, Video, Discord, Writing. It's locked now. If I sort by default, you get by percentage, how much is the size, right? And in megabytes. Gotcha. But I want the count. And look at that. 36,000 HTML components. That's quite a lot. Media files, 21,000. Pictures. How many pictures do I have? More than 5,000. In JPEG, I also have in PNG, about 400 something. Gotcha. And on top of that, you can specify which collection you want. So let's say I only care now about the English collection, right? Okay. So I will specify systems and advanced English. Go. Keep in mind that the built-in media files are not here because I'm using a secondary storage. So all the files we see just before of across my collection, it's not the entire picture because I have secondary storage. Now, only the English collection. So this is the stuff I added myself on top of the built-in collection. So it's quite a lot. 17,000 HTML files. I have added 4,000 something pictures. Okay. And now let's say, now the question is, what do I have with all my secondary storage? Well, not all the secondary storage, but the secondary storage I'm doing into backup as well. That will be here. In my case, SuperMemo. This folder is the one I sync with GitLab. As you can see here, the .git. And then this external storage is just used for the built-in English. So it's about 600 something megabytes. I have more secondary storage locally in this computer. And those are videos. Okay, it's finally over. Look now. I think I had like 60,000. Now it's 80,000 HTML files. Quite a lot, right? Look at the sound with WAP. Those are the built-in. I don't use WAP, so I use MP3. So I can tell right away everything here is from the English collection. 10,000 images. I'm using some images up to 100, more than 100 times. I'm kind of surprised it's 10,000 already. And just JPEG, so I have more in PNG. Okay. And this thing is what is intriguing. How come I have up to 16,000 sub files that SuperMemo is using on the backend in bytes? Yeah, this pack is about backup in Git. Makes sense. Wow. So in pictures, I only have 1.5 gigabytes. And then it's text in HTML form. Just 600 megabytes. So this is easy. This is especially useful. When somebody asks me, oh, how much your collection is? Oh, you have lots of pictures, I don't know. Well, with just text, I can tell you. So more or less 800 megabytes of pure text.